pioneering, award-winning livelihood platform for the disabled, tested by the disabled. Youth for Jobs, Swaraj Ability, a unique AI-triggered, accessible livelihood platform for persons with disabilities. 1,79,223 registered youth across 18 disabilities. 63,832 total job vacancies. 1,337 registered companies. Accessible portal for all 21 disabilities. Reached 15.1 million households to change attitudes. We are the largest in South Asia for PWD skilling linked to jobs and enterprise. Now a system changer and is a Harvard case. What keeps me and my team going is the fact that a livelihood to one member of a family, especially a disabled, takes the entire family out of poverty in a sustained manner.
We at Slam Out Loud are igniting a revolution. We work towards transforming arts and social emotional learning in India by enabling children from under-resourced communities to find their voice. Through the power of poetry, storytelling, theatre and visual arts, our programs have impacted over 75,000 children across 12 states in India.
Introducing SEL Edge, which is India's first educator and administrator-facing analytics platform designed to address these key data gaps. SEL Edge empowers educators to track, monitor, and tailor lessons to build SEL skills within their classrooms. SEL Edge has 4 core functionalities. First is Gather, where we collect accurate data around SEL competencies like curiosity, imagination, analytical thinking, emotional awareness, and agency. The second aspect is Visualize, where we analyze and represent student progress and performance through real-time and interactive dashboards. This helps educators to make immediate adjustments and personalized solutions to support each of their students within classroom. Third aspect of this is Educate, where we offer leveled SEL modules and resources to tailor and meet student needs, and also offer teacher resources to support delivery and instruction. And the final aspect is Inform, where we use detailed and aggregated data supporting administrators to sense and design targeted interventions for their control area. Our consistent work through data with the state of Punjab administration and advocating for SEL skills through actionable data has even led to the establishment of a statewide arts committee in Punjab, working to enhance their arts curriculum for over 2 lakh children in the state.
Street vending operates informally. So what happens is they are open for harassment. In 2009, we thought to address this problem and see if street vending can also be formalized. Our effort led to the National Urban Street Vendor Act.
After the Act came into inception in 2014, we started tracking its implementation status. We created the implementation index and compliance reports, state compliance data, data related to individual harassment cases were also identified. And that's something which gave birth to the idea of Jivika mobile app.
हमारी दुकान बीकाजी कामा प्लस में है और इसी दुकान से हमारा घर चलता है। हमें हमारे स्ट्रीट वेंडर साथी से पता चला कि जब हम बहुत मुश्किल में तकलीफ़ में हो तब एक लाल बटन है जिसमें SOS लिखा है। उस बटन को दबाने से TVC मेंबर और हमारे जो मार्केट के प्रधान हैं उनको और जीविका टीम के पास ये मैसेज पहुंच जाता है और उनके थ्रू से हमारे मार्केट का जो प्रधान है तुरंत हमारे पास मदद करने के लिए आ जाएंगे। अगर हमारे मार्केट के प्रधान नहीं आ पाए तो ये मैसेज जीविका की टीम के पास पहुंच जाता है। अगर हमारे प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा बड़ा है जो सॉर्ट आउट नहीं होता है तो जीविका के थ्रू से हमें एक वकील भेज देंगे हमारे लिए। इस ऐप में एक कंप्लेन करने का ऑप्शन है और हमें लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हम अपना रिकॉर्डिंग करके भेज सकते हैं।
In the mid to longer run, Jivika mobile app aims to cater to the idea of institutionalization of the grievance redressal process. We are looking at Jivika to become the go-to solution by the ministry, and that is something which we are going to do.